Frustration is the most common problem all of us have nowadays. So, how can we manage frustration, or how can we control or overcome our frustration? Is there any way? Well, yes, but it's not quite easy. It's not so difficult, also, it depends on your willpower. But let's first know how frustration occurs or arises in our mind. So, all of our frustration is due to our unfulfilled desires. Yes, if your desire is not completed, you will get a feeling of incompleteness, and that will cause a frustration into you. So if somehow you can manage your desires, you can manage your frustration or control your frustration. But now the question is, how can you manage your desires? Is it easy? Yeah, for some people it's yes, and for some people it's no. We can manage our desires by managing our emotions. Yes, emotions are connected with our desires. Now let's see how. One of my friend was excited to buy a drone because the idea of an emotion, that is happiness, was in his mind that getting a materialistic thing will give him happiness. So he has created an idea of happiness, that getting a materialistic things provide happiness. So that's why getting a drone will provide him happiness, and that's how a desire has arisen in his mind to get a drone, a materialistic thing, so that he can satisfy his idea, so that he can get the happiness. So the idea of our emotions creates our desires. If we can control or change the idea of our emotion, we can actually control our desires. But now the question is, how can we just change the thought or idea of our emotion? Well, it can be done by using our subconscious mind. Here, our subconscious mind comes. Well, if you keep repeating a thing, particularly day to day, most of the time, then the brain starts believing it. Your subconscious mind starts accepting it. So if you make a clear idea of your emotion, write it down and just keep repeating it more, 100 or 1,000 times a day, just before going to bed and just after waking up, then your mind will at a point start believing that the idea which you have created is true, and it will adapt it in your behavior, and it will start reflecting it in your behavior. And that's how you can change the idea of your emotion, and that's how you can control your desires. And once you have controlled your emotions, once you have changed the idea of your emotion, you can control desires. And once you have controlled your desires, you can overcome frustration. Now let's take one more example. Just like when you were a teenage, you are a teenage, you have been fall in love with someone, and now the idea of that emotion, that is love, in your mind is that getting that person, spending time with that person, getting care from that person is love. But it's not love actually, it's a very complex emotion, and the idea of love keeps changing person to person, situation to situation, and time to time. But we have created a thought, an idea of love, that getting that person's time, attention, and care gives you happiness or will fulfill your need of love. And that's how a desire will arise in your mind to get that person's care, love, and attention. So if that person doesn't give you love, care, and attention or time, then will come into your mind, and you will be frustrated because of that unfulfilled desires that is due to your emotion. So if you can change the idea of your thought, that is love, by changing the information which you are gathering through your senses, then you can actually control your desire, and then my friend, you can overcome frustration. And once you have overcome frustration, most of the problems in your life, if you think you have a problem in your life, actually you don't have problems in your life, that's our all situation. But if you think you have a problem in your life, you can actually overcome it by just controlling your desires, because most of the problems in our mind is due to frustration, due to unfulfilled desires. So once you can change the idea of your emotions, then you can control your frustration or your problems and you can overcome yourself. I will not guide you to just command your brain, because there are a lot of articles on internet that how to control your subconscious mind, how to use subconscious mind for growth and all, how to use miraculous power of subconscious mind. You can read it there, or you can read a lot of books on subconscious mind. But the point is, if you can control your emotions, the idea of your emotion, you can control the desires, and most of the problems that is due to the wrong information will be resolved. So thank you.